Hello.
Hi.
Where are we going today, mate?
Another comp again.
Yeah, and what are you entering into?
I'm doing 3x3 and the first time 2x2.
Yeah, cool.
No, and when he finished that,
Yeah?
he has to get a record for the 2x2.
Yeah, I think he's going to do all right in the 2x2.
What? Just go. Bye. Oh my gosh.
So here we are at the North Sydney Cube Day. We have 600 people competing, which makes it the largest one-day event for Speedcubing. We've got 3x3 and 2x2 today. It's the first time for 2x2 for me and first time for Ozzy to do 2x2. How do you think you're going to go with your solves, mate? What's your goal today?
Get over a minute.
Oh, a goal is to get over a minute.
Or at least,
How about under a minute?
yeah, under a minute.
Yeah.
And if I get this right, you have to subscribe right up when you see my results. If
If he gets a PR, you have to like and subscribe.
and if I get two souls under 1 minute, you have to, because I can tell the future.
Yeah, and if you get to DNF, then you also have to add a comment on how awesome the DNF was, okay?
Yeah.
All right, we want to know what you think of his DNF. And my goal today is to get a PR or either an average or on a single solve. So we're going to go in, we're going to do our 3x3 solves, and then we've got a break, and we've got lunch, and then we've got our 2x2s after lunch. If you're watching this and you aren't subscribed, please subscribe below, because it shows us that you care about the videos and you want to see more work from us. So please subscribe, click the like button, and leave a comment saying something awesome about our solves and our videos. Thanks.
I'm hungry.
Bye.
11 minutes later.
So it's the 2020 or the... Okay. Yeah.
Oh, you did it! 37.5.
Ready.
Okay, 35.
Holy hell, that's fast. Ready.
8 seconds.
And also to not get defeated by an A-Perm. I intend to defeat my nemesis, the A-Perm, today. I may get a new nemesis, but we'll see how we go. But I plan to defeat the A-Perm. A-Perm. I defeated the A-Perm. So the last two comps had an had an A-Perm, balls it up, had a minute and a half solved. So I beat the A-Perm. Yeah. Beat the A-Perm. Right. That's crazy fast. It's coming back. Like I've never... Pressure.
What is this? What song?
This is number 4. Yeah.
8 seconds.
Ah!
Well, it won't count your average, so...
I blame the E-Perm again. My new nemesis, E-Perm. Wow. I wish food came this quickly. Yes. I don't think I beat my average this time.
What's it been? 35?
It's about 35.
Very close, I think.
Yeah, I didn't get my sub 30, which I'm a bit bummed about. So, done.
15 minutes later.
Nope, the cube's here. No time for an interview. What's that sign this time? Okay, do you remember it's 8 seconds, 12 seconds? Yes.
Ready. No.
It's not bad.
Let's solve.
It's less than a minute. I'm really happy with that. That's definitely not a +2. Holy cow!
What was my last time?
51.44. Where is this coming from? You know, if you practice, you'd be getting like sub 20 times.
Like,
Is that your PR for a comp?
I don't know. No, it's a minute. Midnight.
You forgot your Y perm, didn't you? You did 2 T perms.
No, I did not.
Yeah, you did.
No.
We'll watch the video. We have video evidence. He did 2 T perms instead of a Y perm.
Fine, I did. I don't know the Y perm. It's much longer than the T perm and the Y perm. I mean the F perm. I don't know if it's the Y perm. Does that count?
Yes, that's all right. You're going to smash it. This time you're going to get under 40 seconds, yeah? Just think in your head, think to yourself, under 40 seconds. Okay, and tell me when you're ready. If you get to D and F, leave a comment below saying what you think of the D and F.
Many hours later.
Just keep going.
What? DNF, come on.
That's a really bad DNF too. I mean, it's not even just like a single turn. That was pretty bad.
Meanwhile,
Do you like twisty puzzles?
Yeah.
Yeah, mate. Do a twist. Show us the scramble.
It's not the same colors. It's so soft.
Thanks, mate.
one pair of pants later.
Today, if you have a group, you have a card like that says 3, that means you can go. Please like and subscribe here. Thank you. I'll see you. Bye.
Yeah.
judging me. I'm going to put it on.
I know, but your hands. You ready? Yeah.
Oh, that is so good. Plus to it. What? 15 seconds. Yes.
I believe you can do it. You ready? You ready? Yeah. Ready?
Speedcubing ready.
Go. Say it properly. Ready? Ready.
This is horrible. Oh my gosh, my fingers still hurt. For my soccer ball from last week. How did I get 22?
That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
That's good. That's my worst time ever.
Have you been filming using this camera? Because it's got the front screen on it.
Sorry.
Wait, what did the ocean say to the sand? No. Nothing. It just waved.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Are you ready?
Right on. That's enough. 25.
Oh, wait, what?
How did I get 25? Oh my gosh. I got a 25. Why am I getting 20?
Because you've never practiced 2x2.
I'm going to use my head at you.
The first time you practiced 2x2 was yesterday, remember?
I don't like...
Oh, God, that's... I'm waiting for you to sign it. See? My hair hurts.
How does your hair hurt?
Not a 6. Sussy, pussy, gussy. Put that good back. Yo, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ready. Let's go.
You got 9. That is such a good time. How did you get a 3? His name is Ozzy. Ozzy. Hey Ozzy. From YouTube.
Hey,
That's his YouTube name. Oh, nice. How many subs do you have?
101. We got 101 today.
Also, maybe I can have one.
Stop.
Yes, I will sub Ozzy. You shall sub. That's it.
Please give me a 10.
Come on, we all believe in you. 3, 2, 1. Go.
What?
Okay, moving on to group 2.
What?
Just go.
One of my corners are twisted.
Just keep going.
It's gonna be next time. It's unsolvable.
Yeah, I think you twisted a corner, mate.
Wait, do you want me to fix it? I just put
Well, no,
it.
we just don't know which one it is. So
Yeah, I'm good with that sort of thing. Ozzy, don't DNF.
yeah, I think you have to DNF that.
2 very boring minutes later.
How are you at 2x2?
Pretty good. I average about 10 seconds. How are you?
Yeah. Not very good. I only know Ortega. So
Yeah, I use Ortega.
yeah. No. Just wait for everyone to get past.
Just tell me when you're ready.
Yeah, ready.
8 seconds. Oh, nice.
Sure, I stuffed it. Sure, I got that wrong. Hey, talk.
No, you start.
You start.
You start.
You start.
Start.
Okay. Bit more for the bloopers reel. So we're here at the school.
Knox Grammar School.
Very flash looking school. We had our 3x3 and our 2x2 comp today, which we did okay in for some of us. We both achieved PR and PRs for our average and our single 2x2s because it's the first time we've done it, and probably not the last. I think we'll definitely do it again. 3x3 is a little bit disappointed with my averages and my singles. I was really hoping to break either my average or my single. I was getting some good times at home, but just didn't manage to do it here. And how'd you go on your 3x3? Pooped. And what'd you poop it on?
I had to do enough.
You did a DNF. And what about 2x2? What happened there at the end?
So I was doing a soon case, so I had to look at which would, if it was left one or right one, but then it wasn't any. It wasn't any of them, and it wasn't any other one. So then a corner was flipped, so I had to DNF it so another kid could solve it.
Yeah, we had a corner twist on the 2x2, which I was told afterwards, if you get a corner twist any corner and it'll resolve it. I didn't know that. If you get corner twists, you've got one corner twist, then you just need another corner twist and it's solved. As long as there's an even number of corner twists, it's solved. Or at least it gets you closer to where it should be. So that's something to remember for the future. I've never seen a 2x2 corner twist at home, so that's something that's pretty new. That'll go in the outtakes. We're at the moment being attacked by birds, and if you get a DNF, if he gets, do it again, bloopers take. So for those of you viewing at home, this is a little fluffy thing we put on a microphone to stop wind affecting it, and it's called a dead cat.
Meow 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 meow. I like it.
Dead cat. So if you like our videos, it's really important you hit the subscribe button down below because it lets us know that you want to watch them. Also hit the like button, the comment button, the share button. In fact, just every other button you can see, just click on them and you're good to go.
Any button.
Any button.
Any button.
The button down here. That says subscribe.
And it's red. Make it grey.
Yeah, make sure
it's hard.
Subscribe with the bell for notifications and all that good stuff. And what are we doing now?
I'm going to eat some lunch.